I have been wanting to add a water feature in my wildflower garden for a long time now, so I was thrilled when Popo Soap offered to send me one to test out. We're out here in the high desert, so adding a water feature for the birds and pollinators is such a great idea. So let me show you how I set it up. First, I had this flower pot on my deck. It has the plug for the hole in the bottom so it can hold water, and then I just collected some of the sandstone rocks from around our property, and then I gave them a good rinsing. I wanted the fountain portion to be up high, kind of like a bird bath, so I found this stump to set it on, and then I started adding in those rocks. And these rocks are there, first of all, to hold the planter in place, and also so that the birds have somewhere to sit. And same with any kind of bees or small pollinators. I want them to have an escape route. Next, you just add the water. It's just that simple. I'm going to put the pump in there and show you the little sprayers that come with it. Oh, I probably forgot to mention this is actually solar powered. So you just simply plug in the end of the pump here into the solar panel, put that panel in the sun, and you are in business. No running extension cords anywhere. You don't have to keep this so close to your home or power source. You can place this virtually anywhere that gets some sunshine. And look, it works immediately. It also comes with several different choices for these little toppers that send out different spray patterns, and it comes with this tubing so you can actually make this into a fountain. Since my container is a little small for how powerful this pump is and those little spray nozzles kind of go over the edge, I wanted to try out the fountain feature, so I removed some of the rocks so that I could get the pump down low enough. That allowed me to run the tubing straight up in between some rocks, and then I could use it more as like a bubbler. Then I just cut the length of the tubing to where I need it to be just above the surface. The solar panel has hardware to either mount it on a building or tree, or this stake that you can use to put it in the ground wherever you need it. I like the ground mount. It allows me to move it if I need to very easily. And best of all, it just works so great, and it's already attracting birds. These shots are from a bird feeder camera that I have, and it is so much fun to watch these little guys take a little dip and get a drink of water, especially during this hot summer. I can't wait to install more of these on our property. I really think I'm going to get a small pond liner and create a real water life habitat for these guys. So I think it's going to be a whole lot of fun. It'll be a much bigger space and be able to attract things like frogs and toads. It's a really wonderful fountain.